How to edit Reels using Instagram Reels editor. So if you want to edit Reels using Instagram Reels editor, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, open up your Instagram. Now go with the plus option, which is on the bottom middle, and then select the Reel section and select a video. After selecting, now here you'll be able to edit your reel. So you can go with edit, which is on the bottom left, and from here you'll be able to split that or crop. Like for example, I want to split this part and select the first part and then go with delete, which is on the bottom left, and that's it. Now you can again split it or again edit that. You'll be able to crop it or you'll be able to replace it. You can turn off the audio and you will have add clips. If you want to add more clips, you'll be able to add some clip. And the third one is audio. You will have audio option. You'll be able to add some audio, some music to it, or you will also have the text option. So if you want to add some captions or some text, you'll be able to use that option. And you will have clip hub, which is GIF if you want to add some GIFs or stickers, or you'll also have captions. So you can also add some voiceovers or filters. You'll have all of these options. You can just simply go and select any option that you're comfortable with or any part that you would like to add. Like for example, if I want to add a sticker, I'll go with sticker and then go with a random sticker right here and add that to my reel. Go with done, which is on the bottom, and that's it. And if I want to add some audio, then you can go with audio, which is here on the bottom. Tap on audio and then select the audio that you would like to add. You will also have some saved audios. You can select the audio and then go with the arrow, which is on the bottom right, and add that audio. Go with done, which is on the top right, and this is also has been added. Now go with the arrow, which is on the top right again, and that's it. You'll also be able to add some cover. You can also add it from your camera roll, and done, and then go with share. So that's how you can edit your reels using your Instagram Reels editor. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.